87. Edukasyon sa pagkatao, 90. Technology and livelihood and education, 90. Mathematics, 88. Music, 87. Art, 88. PE, 88. Health, 88. Sunod si Chris.
Pare, naisigil ba yun dito? Alam mo na yung Chris?
No, you have to be proud of what you have.
Katas yan ang pinaghirapan mo eh.
Kaya lang, you have to understand na merong pagkakataon na kailangan nyo i-improve. Ano ba yun? Final grade
Hindi na tayo dito.
Third dito.
Third grading. Bondok, Rovisito. Per section.
Section per.
Reading and writing skills, 80. Pagbasa, ako nahirap. PPTP, 80. Statistics and probability, 86. Mahirap ang subject. Disaster readiness and risk reduction, 82. PT and health, 90. Piling larang, 83. Practical research, 80. Basic calculus, 81. General biology, 76.
Sige, after ko mo ngayon, na-explain na ako. And after ko mo ngayon,
Okay.
kasi para sa
There's always no. Section 4. Reading and writing skills, 80. Pagbasa, anak, PPTP, 80. Statistics and probability, 84. Disaster readiness and risk reduction, 82. PE and health, 88. Pilarang, 80. Ano yung Pilarang? Filipino subject po. Pilarang. Practical research, 80. Basic calculus, 87. General biology, 88.
Kung makikita niyo dito ito yung first grading and second grading. Sa third grading, magkakaiba kasi ng subject. Iba yung subject na nasa first and second grading. Sa third grading at sa fourth grading. So, kaya medyo mabababa talaga sila kasi nasa pa sila.
First pa lang.
Adjustment sa first.
Doon sa first.
Oo, sa first. Sa third.
Iba pa rin ibang subjects na sila.
New subjects.
So, dapat pa rin pinasok to. Kasi yung final lang nila yung kung saan sila nanggaling.
First and second.
Ito pala yung final.
Opo,
Doon sa
first and second.
So,
Ikaw kasi alam mo, hindi kasi unang 11 at 12.
hindi namin
Yung iba kasi prerequisite yan. Or requisite. First, yung nagkakamali.
Ito yung unang semester.
Opo, unang semester.
Oral communication and in context. 86. Komunikasyon at pananaliksik sa wika.
Ito po dito, first, second.
Ang first is 84. Ang second is 88. Ang final is 86. Ang komunikasyon at pananaliksik, parang research to, no? Tagalog lang. 84 ang first. Ang second is 85. Ang last, ang final grade is 85. General mathematics. Basic. 87 first, yung second is 93, ang final grade is 9. Ito kasi bakit yung baba yung final niya, hinihila kasi. Yung from first. Kaya importante yung first. Earth Science, 83, 83, 83. Final. Tapos sequence siya doon. Physical Education and Health, 84. First, second is 88. Ang final is 86. English for academic and professional purposes, 80 yung first, 83 yung second, 82 yung final. Si average lang yun, yung dalawa. Ang calculus niya, pre-calculus pa, is 84 yung first, 86 yung second, 85 yung final. Average. General Biology is 81, ang second is 82, ang final is 9.
Dave.
Very good. See, ang oral communication in context ni Luis, yung first is 87, 83 yung second, 86 yung
89 po.
89 yung first, 83 yung second, 86
May ilan yung second, ano? Ba't
Ilan?
ilan?
Komunikasyon at pananaliksik sa wikang Pilipino, 86 ang first, 84 ang second, ang final nyo is 85. Ang final nyo is 85. You're getting the point kung paano nakukuha yung score. Ina-average lang yung dalawa. So, importante yung first and second. So, general mathematics, 84 yung first, 80 yung second, 82 yung final. So, average again. Ang earth science is 85 yung first, 81 yung second, 83 yung final. Hinilang. Ang physical education and health, 85 yung first, 86 yung second, 86 yung final.
Good.
English for academic and professional purposes, 84 yung first, 83 yung second, 84 yung final. Pre-calculus, 81 yung first, 78 ang second,
Hinila.
80 ang final. Ayun.